need someone to take me home. I'm a year's supply of words for no one else. But I'm tired now of offering words that you would never understand. Like a dark day and the cold and dark. How it's turned on me again somehow. And my friends that really were aren't really now. And now I'm hearing things so quietly. Behind just what you have right over me. Like your whole life, until it comes right back to mine. Haven't I done this all before? Maybe I have, I'm not sure. But never again will I be left under the open air, waiting around for you to be there. I won't believe that it's so far away, and I don't sleep now at night but through the day. And you'll ask me why so honestly, but I don't think it's something I can see. Like an old friend turning now then once again. Haven't I done this all before? Maybe I have, I'm not sure. But tell me today, will you still keep inside what I've said? Something new for you to forget. So I'm not making any plans. And where would I begin? But I'm doing so much better than. So I think you should know. There's not a window that I can see out, and your story's left too soon to read about. But it's always done so easily. Still not sure where I'm supposed to be. Like your whole life, until it comes right back.